Hey everybody, Doug Rucker here from DougRuckerStore.com, coming to you with another Buy Day Friday. Yes, it's that time of year again to start Buy Day Friday up again. So stay tuned, got some special deals I'll be talking about that will be on sale this weekend, starting with Buy Day Friday. All right, for this weekend, we have, for the Buy Day Friday, we've got the King's Clean on sale. We'll have Dugout on sale. Dougie Fresh will be on sale, as well as the wrap. So all that will be on sale. And then we'll also have some other items, very popular items that a lot of people use. The pressure washing gun assembly that you can get. All this stuff that we're selling on the Buy Day Friday will be DIY kits, do it yourself. You can put it together. Slide up charge if you want us to put it together. But we'll have the pressure washing gun assembly. That's the one that we use when we're soft washing using our pressure washer. We'll have the adjustable gun on sale. That's the one I use for cleaning around delicate areas. We'll also have the ball valve set up, which is here. We'll have the two soft wash guns, this one here, the Suttner, and also the soft wash ball valve. That's what I use, is that ball valve for soft washing with my dedicated pump. So we'll have that on sale. Excuse me. Downstream injector kit, we'll have that on sale. And we'll have the mixing valves, the Pentair that you can get on sale, as well as the GF valve system that you can get on sale too. A few dollars knocked off of those to save you a little bit of money. We'll also have the gutter tool. Those will be on sale. The best tool that you could ever use for cleaning out gutters. So we'll have that on sale. And some various other products that will be on sale. Got a couple more I'll show you in just a minute coming up. All right, and a couple other things that we will have on sale is the King Slinger mixing station. That will be on sale. As always, we just recommend you buy the compressor yourself. If you need help with that, we can show you where to get it, get you the link so that it can be shipped directly to you. And then, so we'll have the 10 gallon per minute, and you can have your choice of the GF valves like I'm using, or the Pentair valves. And then we're also going to have the 9 gallon per minute Mad Max pressure washer, which is what I use and love this pressure washer. So probably the best pressure washer I've ever used. It's going to be priced right under $3,000, I believe. But just go to DougRuckerStore.com and you can check out the pricing and sale prices for those items. All right, everybody, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you go to DougRuckerStore.com and check out all the sale items. Everything will be marked sale with the pricing. And don't forget, if you're new to the industry and you need some training, check out the online school that's available to anyone not located in the Houston, Texas area. Over 250 training videos available for you. Help you get started from beginning right on through the training of cleaning residential as well as light commercial properties. And so that's located at pressurecleaningschool.com. Just click on online school, and I've had it for almost 10 years coming up. And so check that out if you need training, or contact us here at the store or at the school, pressurecleaningschool.com, DougRuckerStore.com. Thanks so much. Y'all have an awesome rest of the week and a great weekend coming up, and enjoy Buy Day Friday.